Alright, pause whatever you're doing for a second, because this is one of those "wait, what?" CES moments. We've all gotten used to robot vacuums gliding around like polite little hockey pucks. They clean the floor, bump a chair, spin around, and absolutely give up the moment they see stairs. That's been the rule for years. And then CES 2026 happened. This is the Roborock Saros Rover. And no, it doesn't just roll, it walks. Yeah, walks. Instead of pretending stairs don't exist, Roborock basically said, why not give a robot vacuum legs? And somehow, it works. The Saros Rover uses this wild wheel-leg hybrid setup, meaning it can lift itself, balance its body, and actually climb steps. Straight stairs, curved stairs, even those annoying spiral ones that make humans nervous. Imagine watching your robot vacuum calmly walk up to the next level of your house, like it pays rent there. That's the moment your brain short-circuits. What makes this even crazier is that it's not just a stunt. The rover stays level while climbing, which means it's still cleaning properly instead of wobbling like a drunk shopping cart. It can handle uneven floors, thresholds, slopes, basically all the stuff normal robot vacuums pretend doesn't exist. And here's the part people aren't talking about enough. This thing is strong. We're talking 19,000 paw of suction. That's serious power. Carpets, rugs, pet hair. This thing isn't politely cleaning. It's ripping dirt out while balancing on stairs like it's no big deal. On top of that, it's using advanced 3D mapping and AI navigation to understand your home. Not just there's a wall here, but how your house is shaped. Bullnose stairs, curved edges, weird architecture, stuff that usually confuses robots. This one actually learns it, and when it's done, it goes back to its rock dock base station, empties itself, cleans itself, dries itself. The full "I don't need you" experience. Oh, and yes, it plays nicely with smart homes too. Matter support means it's designed to slot into modern setups without you fighting 5 different apps. Now, before you ask, no, you can't buy it yet. This is still a concept, but that's kind of the point. This isn't about what you can order today. This is Roborock showing where robot vacuums are heading next. For years, the biggest limitation was simple: floors only. Saros Rover basically looked at that rule and walked right over it. If this makes it to production even close to what we saw at CES, the idea of carrying your robot vacuum upstairs might finally disappear forever. So yeah, robot vacuums just learned how to walk. And suddenly, the future of cleaning feels a lot closer than we expected. Would you trust a walking robot vacuum in your house? Or does this feel like the moment things officially got sci-fi? Let me know. And if you want more insane CES 2026 tech like this, you know what to do.